everyone, so this time I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tree mini DIY using some pistachios and a paper. So first of all we are going to draw a circle like this. Cut it out. Now what you need to do is to split this circle in two halves. Use one of this half to make a cone. See this part carefully. You have to join the two ends of the circle together like this. Glue these two parts and it will become something like this. Now for the next step, we are going to use some used pistachio shells. Wash them and dry them. I'm going to use two colors for our tree. First is sap green and the other one is meridian hue. I'm using acrylic colors to paint these shells. They will stay for a long time. Paint all of the shells with these two colors and then we will proceed to our next step. You can paint as many shells as you want. We can use them again to make another tree. Now the most important part starts. We are going to stick these shells one by one. We are going to stick these shells from the bottom of the cone and then we'll go upwards. It's a bit messy process and will take some time, but you know, it will be worth it. Our first layer is done. Now we are going to proceed with our next layer. You have to stick one shell on top of the other two shells, like this. Continue this chain around the cone. Continue the same step with the third layer, but with different colored pistachios. So the end result is this. I also sticked some cotton on it for some effects, like it is snow. You can also paste thermocol balls or other decorative things as you like. So like, share and subscribe to the channel, and happy holidays!